The sunset fades over the backyard, leaving the sky in heavy shades of gray. Sprout, huddled near the garden fence, suddenly pulses with a blinding rainbow light that defies the coming night. The very air begins to ripple like water under a heavy stone. Lucy steps forward, her heart racing, and reaches into the glow. Suddenly, she is pulled into a swirling vortex of neon ribbons, leaving the world behind. She lands on a floor made of liquid glass inside the magnificent Prism Palace. Every wall vibrates with shifting hues, singing a song of pure light. A prism keeper, draped in robes that change color with every frantic step, rushes toward her. He points to the ceiling, where the world is falling apart. Red streaks clash with blue patches, and yellow light drips upward like rain against gravity. The prism party starts at midnight. The keeper shouts over the sound of static, but the spectrum has shattered. Lucy pulls her color compass from her pocket. The needle spins wildly, clicking against the surrounding chaos. She runs toward the jagged red patch and holds the compass high. The red light surges, snapping into a perfect, glowing arc across the great dome. Without a second to lose, she pivots, catching the falling yellow light with her bare hands and dragging it back into the horizon line. The palace groans as the foundation of the rainbow begins to stabilize, but the work is far from over. Purple remains missing, buried deep beneath a heap of suffocating gray shadows. Lucy crawls into the corner, feeling the coldness of the void. She taps her compass hard against the glass floor, and a brilliant pulse of white light forces the hidden purple streak to emerge. As the final color locks into place, the entire room begins to hum with a deep, resonant power. A massive rainbow spans the palace, turning the air into a shimmering mist. The colors detach from the walls, swirling around Lucy in a rhythmic, celebratory dance. The keeper bows low as the palace floor glows with a warm golden light. Lucy steps back into the center of the spinning ribbons, feeling the pull of home. With a final, silent flash of brilliance, the portal opens. She tumbles back onto the soft backyard grass, catching her breath. The night is dark, but her clothes still leave a trail of rainbow sparkles that shimmer against the shadows.